Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Luxer One app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Luxer One is a package locker management app designed to make receiving and picking up deliveries more secure and convenient. The app connects to Luxer One's smart locker systems, allowing users to get real-time delivery notifications, scan barcodes, and access lockers remotely. It also provides package history tracking, multi-user access for shared lockers, and integration with residential complexes, offices, and universities. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Luxer One for its reliability in keeping packages safe, its clean interface, and the convenience of 24/7 pickup access. The app makes the process of collecting deliveries quick and contactless, reducing the risk of missed packages or theft. Its real-time alerts and digital codes also make it easier to manage deliveries even when you're not at home. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional connectivity issues when unlocking lockers, while others mention delays in receiving delivery notifications. Since the app depends on having Luxer One lockers installed in your location, its usefulness is limited if your building or community doesn't support the system. Subscription costs or fees for certain services may also be a drawback for some users. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Luxer One app may be worth using if you live in an apartment, office, or university that provides Luxer One lockers and want a secure, reliable way to manage package deliveries. It shines in convenience, safety, and ease of use. However, if your area doesn't support Luxer One systems or if connectivity issues persist, the app might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.